Hi everyone, my name is Angel and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Chi Spin and Curl 1-inch ceramic rotating curler, and I'm really excited to try it out. I actually didn't open this yet, so yeah, I'm going to see how it works. This is my first curler This is the first curler I got. And I just dropped it. Okay, it looks good. So it has protection. See, there's so much protection that that drop did not do anything to my baby, which is awesome. Feels really light. There's some buttons here rotating left and right, which is pretty cool. And then I like how the rotation, it doesn't matter how much you twist it, you don't get tangled with it. So it's pretty cool. So this is the display here, and voila. So right now it's upside down. Probably important. So there you go. Right now it's increasing in heat very fast actually. If you look here, 240 Fahrenheit right now. Wow, it's already done heating up. So, and it beeps. It beeps when the temperature is good, which is awesome. Okay, so I actually did not read the manual, so let's see how this goes. Beeps. Pretty good. So it says here this side to the head, so that's facing the head, and then just putting the hair in here. It doesn't really get tangled, which is pretty nice. Okay, so, and then it beeps again. Just letting it drop.
And I'm just going to speed up the video so it's not so boring, and going over some things I like about this Spin and Curl by Chi is that just the amount of hair you can actually put in at one time, because my hair is longer. A lot of the automatic hair curlers I've tried in the past by like Babyliss and Conair is that their barrel is a little short, so in terms of how much hair I can put into it, I can't really put too much hair into it, and so it takes much longer in terms of trying to curl my hair. In terms of this entire video on me curling my entire head, it took me less than 10 minutes, which is really awesome. And for like using those automatic hair curler I tried in the past, it would take maybe 30 to 45 minutes at least to curl all my hair. And so yeah, that's what I really like about it. And if you see at this point, I was a little too greedy with my hair amount that I put in my Chi, and so the machine started beeping at me telling me to take out my hair, and I just had to redo it again just by turning the power off and on. It went back to normal again, stopped beeping, and and just put less hair in it this time. And I really appreciate this feature, the safety feature from Chi, because it just makes sure that you don't hurt your hair, you don't hurt yourself. The machine would not go on until you make sure your hair is out of the barrel and everything is turned and restarted again, before it would take more hair in again. And so yeah, I really like that feature. Definitely a must for all these automatic ones. Otherwise you might really get yourself into big trouble. So overall, I just really like using this hair curler. I'm going to be using this much more often, I think. I've been using a straightener to curl my hair for a while now, just because I find that, well, I don't want to spend over half an hour just curling my hair, especially with my hair type. The curls just don't last that long. But with this curler, I can achieve that look in just like 10 minutes. And also at the same time, my diameter, the width of my curls, everything's very consistent, very, like, it just curls so beautifully. And I love how everything's like the push of a button, very high tech, and you can just go left, go right, however you like. So yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy my video, and I will talk to you next time.